is the Flower Beauty Lip and Cheek Gel Crush. It's retail for $9.99. It comes in 5 shades. This is in the shade Peach Crush. Of course, I was going to pick this one because I love peaches and corals. I will apply this in 2 different ways, and we will see if the same thing will happen again with this foundation. Then I'll definitely know not to use that technique anymore. When I saw this product, I knew I had to pick it up right away without even seeing reviews, just because of the packaging. Like, to me, this looks like a little deodorant or something. So this is the Flower Beauty's Gel Crush Lip and Cheek Do-It-All Stick that glides onto cheeks. A perfect pinch of color, leaves lips with a flushed tint. Its ultra portable stick has a unique gel texture with sheer pigments that blends beautifully and gives skin a surge of all-day moisture. A soft, dewy finish with a mixed fruit scent, which delivers an instant burst of buildable, hydrating color. It tells you that you can use this in different ways, which you can apply using your fingertips. That's one way I've used it. Using a sponge or using a brush. Glide onto cheeks and lips for maximum impact. Gorgeous this is. It's like the perfect size too. You get here 0.33 ounces. This is made in Taiwan. Just open it up and you start twisting it. Let me just show you. I'm gonna put it here so you can see how much you get. Wow, that is a really nice amount. I have very oily skin, okay? So I don't really use creams or anything like that for blushes or to contour. The first way I'm going to apply it is I'm just gonna like swipe it on my cheek like this. You can also do it like this. Remember, I'm just gonna do it like this, and then I'll tell you when I tried it before why this way didn't work for me. Start applying it wherever you like your blush applied. You don't have to do it exactly where I'm doing it. So I'm just going like this. See, that's just one swipe. You don't want to leave it like that. So go with your fingers, or you can go with a sponge, which I'm going to try to blend it out with a sponge. And it looks really nice with a sponge. You see, it's nothing like too intense, especially if you're like blending it out. You know, once you go with the sponge, you're blending it, so it's gonna shear it out a bit, but you can build it up. Right now, I'm just seeing if I get the same problem as before. What I didn't like before is when I applied it, it like moved my foundation and it looked absolutely disgusting. But like I said, I think it was that foundation, because right now it's okay. But if you have a foundation that moves easily, you want to be careful. Like, my pores were just looking nasty. So I'm also gonna like dab it like this, which is another way, and that way maybe it doesn't mess the foundation that much. You can also like tap like this instead of like gliding it, just not to disturb the foundation. And I am working the product like higher like this. Apply wherever you like. You see, so right now it's not looking like super dewy, like wow, look at that, like I get super oily and look at this dewy finish. No, it just looks like a very refreshing, healthy. Go ahead and apply like this just with my hands so you can see. So if you go like this, this is what the product is gonna look like. See that? So I'm just gonna try to apply it with my fingers. Like that. Try to work it up. Let me see if the pores look any different. So I definitely think it was the foundation, just so you can keep that in mind. Like, it may not work the same with all your face products. With this foundation is looking very good. It's not moving it. My pores don't look bad. If I were to compare this side to this side, I do think that I prefer this one just a little bit more. It's just like the less I disturb my foundation, the better. So So I'm just applying a nice amount because why not? This is a beautiful shade, and right now it still doesn't look too intense. It's so beautiful. And it's just like the perfect amount of glow. Nothing too harsh. There's another shade that I really like, that I really want to get. It's called Strawberry Crush. I always go towards the peaches first, but I don't know why that Strawberry Crush just looks so nice, like a really soft pink. I just removed that lip gloss that I had on my lips, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to just swipe it across your lips. That is such a pretty color. What do you think? I think that is gorgeous. I'm really thinking of getting that other shade. Actually, all 5 shades would be beautiful. If you don't want it for your cheeks, you could use it for your lips, or you could use it for both. Of course, let me just apply a little bit on my nose. I just like the blush like this. Or if you feel like no, I get way too oily, I don't want to do that, you can always just apply this, go over with your powder, just like to set it in place. Look how beautiful that looks. Like, I love my matte finish, but that just looks like out of this world. Highly recommend. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.